Hello everyone, welcome to my cupcake series video. Today we're making marble cupcakes, combining two delicious recipes, vanilla and chocolate. To prepare the ingredients, you will need one recipe of vanilla cupcake batter and half a recipe of chocolate cupcake batter, or vice versa, depending on your preference. If you like more chocolate vanilla or less, adjust accordingly. And don't forget to prepare your cupcake liner. After preparing the ingredients, I start with the vanilla butter. Then I scoop the vanilla butter into the cupcake tin, set it aside. Using the same mixing bowl, I then prepare the chocolate batter. This way I don't have to wash the bowl in between, saving time. Then I scoop a small amount of chocolate butter onto the vanilla batter. Use the stick to swirl the mixture and create the marble effect. Then bake the cupcakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. There you have it, beautiful marble cupcakes. Now it's time for the fun part, decorating the cupcakes. This holiday season I like something colorful. Deep green and red frosting, adding some sprinkles and fondant decoration will make your cupcakes look festive and perfect for holiday season. Voila! Happy baking! Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!